Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable flashlight notification on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on accessibility. Now from here, just tap on advanced settings and select flash notification. Now from here, just enable camera light notification to enable flash notification. And once you enable this option, and if you receive a notification on your smartphone, the flashlight on your smartphone will start blinking when you receive a notification. Just like that. And this is how you can enable flashlight notification on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.